Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning. How are you all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to see UK49 prediction. If it's the first time, please remember to subscribe, to like, to share, and to join also the VIP group. Yes, congrats to the group. We got this one. Yeah. So let's start and make money. Out of our hot numbers, we got 3 numbers come out. Let's check what's going on with new strategy. Those who are new, my phone number is this one: 06777 So 06777 is my phone number. So let's go. Now we're going to use the numbers in draw order. So we're gonna start from 4 draw away, 1 2 3 for the 5th draw, because this method is a method which shows the numbers which are missing as a sure banker. All right, so let's start. Just organizing my board. All right. Alright, I'm here now. So what do you do next? You will take the number which is sitting already. Remember, on our old channel, we already submitted the prediction there, or the other strategy which we can use. Now, on this channel, we're going to go deep down how to get the bank, and also more numbers will be a winning, at least 3 numbers win. Alright, remember to watch the video with attention until the end, because the answer is at the end of the video. So you have to watch with carefulness. Let's start. You will take the numbers which is sitting on the lunchtime and tea time bonus. You will add them together. Remember that we are using in draw order. If you don't know how to use this app in draw order, you have to just click here. If you don't know this app, you can just use a Play Store. Go there and download the app, right? All right, let's go. You have the bonus ball and lunch and tea time. After adding them, you add the number which is sitting on the last seat on lunch. So let's start. Now we have 45 plus 39 plus 2. It's gonna be 86, right? Now you will take 86, add the number which are sitting on the all seat. We have a 49 numbers as a UK49. We add the number of the draw, which is 7, which give the answer is 56. Then since 56 on lunch and 56 on tea, we multiply by 2. So because we have 2 draws, that's the reason of adding this answer here. So 56 times 2 is equal to 112. You add 112 here on this code. Please remember to watch the video till the end, because the answer lay in patience. All right, so we have 112. Adding all this number you saw, it gives us 198. The answer is 198, right? So on the next draw, you will only have the 19, 18, right? 19, 18, and 89. But since 89 are the big numbers, you're gonna say 17. You add them together, right there. You have 3 numbers. I'm gonna say now, if you check on the next draw, we are only focusing on the main UK49. On the main UK49. If we check 18, 17, 18, 19, 18 is sitting here 16, 16, 19, right? The missing number is only 17 and 19. Then you write down 19 and 17, right? You're gonna play your singles because you know that number is there. But if the number played previously, just leave it alone, right? 16 came as a 19, so meaning that 19 is still a missing number. We couldn't say 8, 9 because the 9 also was sitting in the same row. Now, let's move. Now, we're gonna take that answer again, like this, and add this number, and add that same answer we got, which was 112. It's gonna give us, all right, 84 plus 112 plus 7. 7 is a number which is sitting on the last seat. It's gonna give us 203. The answer is 203. We're gonna say 20, 23, 3 and 30. That's how 23 and 30 came here, right? So now this one the missing number is only 20 because 20 was the number which was sitting on the first seat. So 20 is the number gonna write as a missing number. So your answer will come only after checking what number missed from the code. We have a 30 which came, 23 came, but 20 as the first number is a main number, did not drop. We move. Then remember to play this number also on the other side, because if we check on the other side on 10, they check 10, 10, 10, 10. That was supposed to be 10, you know. I think we're gonna just leave it there. Now we move to the next one. This one is gonna give us 81. Then 81 adding 112, 112 plus 81 plus the last number there, it is 11 plus 11. It's giving us 204. You can see that 204 it's gonna give us 20 and 24 and 40. So you can see that 40 came, right? But the missing number still 17. Remember, the missing number is the number that we start with. 17, 19 were the missing number. So that is the exact the numbers we go with to the next row. All right, so now we have this one, adding this one, adding this one. It gave us 204. When you take this one and adding this one is 233, right? So we have a 23 and a 33. 23, 33, 23, 33 are sitting in the same number, so there is no answer in the code. But remember, we must keep 3. There will be always a number which is missing. So 3 is missing because it appeared twice in the code. And then we keep 3 with us. And also we can keep 32 because 32 is a spin of 23. 23 is here, 23 is also here. So 3 and 32 are the missing number from this code. Now 24. Now 20, 24, 24 and 20 and 40. Since 40 appeared twice, we leave it alone, but we must keep 20, 24, right? Even though 24 is here, then we move. So that's how 17 was a missing number. Remember, it was 17, 19. Now 17 came, 24 came, 19 still came as a 16, even this one is 19, it's in a split. So, but since the winning number, the really winning number was, if we spin 16, then 19, because the 19 when you spin is a 16. Then if you say it's already played, then you miss this 16, but we won a 17 and a 24. It's a very less number to win your two numbers, right? So now we kept 3 and 19 as a missing number and the 32. The missing number now is 3, 19 and 32. As we spoke on the code, you must always pick the missing number. That will be your first number to start with the next day. Now we move. Now we say 36 plus this one is gonna give us plus 1, 1 and 2 is gonna give us 197. Then you pick the numbers which are very clear in the code. Now the number is 19 and 17. Now, since 19 and 17 appear there, we just keep 17 with us. Now, 19 and 17 are the numbers. Now, you can see that 17 came, but remember our missing number was 32, 319. 319, 17 is a new number from new code. So that's how 32 and the 3 appeared. The 3 is sitting here as well, right? Now, we move again. To look at 23, when 23 came back. All right, now we move again. So all the numbers missing are gone. Even from the code our 17 came. So you can see that. Now we come again, we take this 36, adding 16, adding 112. So let's delete. I hope we do understand each other. Right, this adding 112 as well. Now we add them together. 16 plus 1 plus 35 plus 112, it's equal to 164. We have 164. All right, so now the number which we have is 16, 46, and 14. All right, now this one is giving us 16, 46, and 14. Right? 16, 46, and 14. So 16 is already common. Times now we have 46 and 14. Remember the missing number that we still having is 19. 19 is still a missing number. We're gonna add it to our number. So our numbers that's supposed to, we have 46, 14, and 19. 19 is still there. Remember, and now we have a 32, 46, 14, 19, we have a 17 and a 3. Now they come on rush, then you can see 14 is sitting here with the piece as a 41. But still, 14 as it is still a missing number. Without spinning, remember, without spinning, 14 is, and the 46 are still a missing number. Now, so since we got this, now we're gonna write down 19, 14, and 46 as a missing number to take to the next row. Now we say, now we go to the next one. We're gonna say, all right, 29 plus 10 is equal to 39, and this one is equal to 49, and the adding 112 is equal to what? Let's check. 49 adding 112 is equal to 161. So now we have a 161. On this 161, we're gonna have a 16. I'm writing on the board. We have a 16, 19, and 11. These are the numbers: 16, 19, and 11. All right. So we move again. We take this one, adding the number which is sitting on that state, which is a 41. Right. All right. So now we have 11, 16, 19. All right. And we have 46, 14 also. Now we come, we check here on today's recording. You can see 14 came, 11 came, 46 is a missing number, and 19. So those are the numbers that we're gonna start with. All right. All right. So now we have a 46, 19, because our missing number also played, and the 11 was a new number. New number 11, 14, 41 came, right? So they still missing numbers 46, 16 as it is, and also 19, because 16 also is a new number missing. These are the missing number we started with today, right? I'm gonna write down 16, 19, 46 as a missing number. The hair is too much trouble. They must cut it. You want Daddy to cut your hair? All right. So now we move. Let's move, guys. We add this one together. 68 plus this one's gonna give us 78 plus 112. So to get a new number, to add on 16, 19, and 46. So we have a 78 plus 112. It's giving us 190. So now 19 is confirmed. Now we move 19. Okay, we can say 19 and 9 and 10. 10 already dropped twice. 9 is nowhere to be found. So we can focus. Remember, we focus on the first and the last two number and the first and the last. So we have a 19 and 9. You see that? As a new number, we have a 19 and 9. Then we go again. We add here, adding 112. All right. So let's see. 112 plus 21 plus 40 plus 28, which is equal to 201. 21 give us the first two numbers 20, the second two number is 1, the third two number is 2 and 1. So 21 is already played, 1 is a missing number, and 20. So we're gonna add down 20 and 1. So on this mission, we have a 16, 19, 9, 46, 20, and 1. They can still spin these numbers, and one of the number, two of the number will still be a missing to continue with. But 19, 9, and the 46 and the 16 can be a Yankee. Pimple. Tell her to look for it. All right. So now we are done, guys, with a new method. Let's check the new. So now remember, we're checking only when we check in the draw order. We're checking in the draw order, guys. What about in numerical order? I'm not sure. I didn't do research about it, unless we can do it and see. All right. All right. So now, guys, I'm gonna again do this. Let me see. In numerical order, let me check the pencil. A pencil. In a numerical order, we start with on 10, on 9 in numerical order. Let's check what's happened on 9 in numerical order, if it's working as well. We have a 39 plus 45 plus 49 equal to 133 plus 112, it's equal to 245. 245, 24, 45, and 25. So they came really. Then other number, when you add here, okay, it gave us 242, meaning 24, 42 was the hot number from here. So that way, and the 22. 22 was sitting here, and then 24, 42 was not. So 24, 42, good number. Let's go. So you can see it's working also in numerical order. All right. So now we have a 245 and 242, right? So if you check here, we have a 24, 24, 45, and the 42, and the 22. 22 and the 42 are the missing number. Then I write down 22 and the 42. When they drop on a branch and the drive, they become less missing. All right, let's go. Now we have 81 plus 48. It's equal to 81 plus 48 is equal to 129 plus 112 is equal to 241. Then we have 24, we have a 41 and a 21. 24, 41. Remember the missing number was 22 and 42. Now we have a 24, which is 24 and 41 and 21. So 24 still came back, all right? Then 22 as a missing number came back, all right? Now 42, 41 and 21 are still missing number. Let me see if 21 was already, 21 was already there, so it's not missing. Now 42, 41 are missing. Let's go. 42, 41 are missing. Then we'll add here again. Plus 45 plus 112. We have a 238. Now we have the answer 23, 28, and 38. 23, 28, and 38. Let's see. 23, 28. You can see 28 and 38. The number 38 here. So 38 is also among the missing number. And 23 came. Already 23 was sitting here. So now we have a 38 only among this one. Alright. So the winning numbers was 22, 24, 28, right? Now the missing number is 42, 41, and 38. We move again in numerical order. We have 112 plus all these numbers sitting here, like this. 112 plus 1 plus 45 plus 35 is equal 193. 193, which is 19, 39. 39 already played, and then we have a 19 and a 13, right? 19 and 13. 13 is still there. If it's played on the other side on branch or drive, it's still good. You can always check there, but make it as a missing number. Alright, let's go. We move again. 23 already dropped again. It's become good. Then we add again here 85 plus 112. It's got 197, so 1719. 1719 is a good number. 17 dropped. Then our missing number 41 came, and the other, now 41 is out. The remaining missing number, remember 38 came on the other side. We won with it, and we won 3 numbers before yesterday and yesterday. So 38 was included. 38 on the drive time. All right. 13, I think 13 dropped. Let me see. Oh, 13 was already sitting here. It's okay. It's good. 13 is sitting, and then 13 is not a missing number. So 41 it came out from the missing number. 42, 38, and 19. 38 came on the other side, but 19, 42, and 42 came before yesterday also. We won with it. But now 19 is a remaining number, which is a missing number. All right. So 19 is a remaining, even if 42 can come back. Now we move to the new number. Now let's check in numerical order here. 39, 71. 71, adding 112, it's got to 183, which is 18, 13, and 38. You see that? 18, 13, 38, 38 came on a branch, but 18, 13 did not drop. So we're gonna say 13, 18 as a missing number. Let's go. Let's go. Here we have 39, 70, 80, 80. Now, if you check very well, we saw 71 is 17, it dropped because if you spin 71 is 17. Then we saw 80, 80 is 80 when you spin, so it dropped. We won with it on the drive time, so 80 dropped. Remember also you can spin when you finish to add the numbers together. Now, adding this one is 80. Adding 112 is 192, which is 19, 12. 12 came as 21, is okay. Then we have a 29, which was already dropped. So we still have a 19 and 12. 12 as it is. 12 as it is, without spinning it. 12 is still a missing number. And 19 is still a missing number. So let's go. 19 like to play with 21 and 31, by the way. So it's still good. Let's go. So the missing number now is 19, 13, 18, and 12. 12 is standard, let's change, but 19, 13, 18, go to change. Let's go. Now for today, we have this one. 68 plus 43 plus 112 is equal to 223. 223, guys, we have a 22, 23. And we have a 23 again. So 23 came, we can focus on 22. Write down 22. All right. Let's move again. We have a 68 adding this one and 112. 112 adding 35, adding 28, adding 40. It's giving us 215. Now we have a 21, we have a 15, and we have a 25. So 25 and 15 are good. So if I read the numbers, we have a 9, 19, 46, and 1, 25, 15, 13, 18, 12, 22, and 16, because the 19 can spin. Even 9 can spin, but focus on 19 and 16, and 18, 22 as a odd number, then 25, 15, 13, 12 as a usual number. Then 42, 38, 38 came other side, and the 42. Yeah, so the number which did not drop on both sides is 22, 12, 18, 19, 25, right? And the 46. Now 9 and 19 are numbers which are options. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. So if I read all the numbers that are missing, we're going to start with 9, 19, 46, 20, and 1, 15, 25, 22, 12, 18, 13, and 16. 42, 38 also number. 42, 38 also is good. Thank you. Bye.